Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today I'm going to make one of my most favorite seafood recipe, that is sardine fish with tomato curry. So this is the final look of my this recipe. So let's straight into the video. Now I'm going to start to make the sardine fish curry, and today I here already make some onion fry. Here I add 100 ml of sunflower oil and two medium size of red onion. I already make it little bits of brownish coloration, so that's why it will give a nice and so very crispy texture of the fish. Then I'm going to add the fish. Here I already take 200 gram of sardine fish, which is in canned fish. This is the canned fish. I take it out from the can and I just clean with the water. Now I'm going to add this fish and start to frying this one. The sardine fish is very good and for healthy for everyone, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is also good for our maintaining the body and also the immunity system. Now I'm going to add the 2 cup of tomato and 6 to 7 green chilies. Mix together. Then I will add some turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 3 to 4 slices of garlic. This is very easy recipe. Just within 10 minutes we can cook at home. We can serve it with the rice. This is also good for everyone because the sardine fish, which is high level of fatty acid and which is also good for our health, our heart, eyes and brains, and also boost our immunity system. So everyone should take at least 140 gram of sardine fish in a week. I will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Some coriander slice. I'm adding half cup of water and wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I will cook it for 3 minutes, then after that I will come back. I cook it in medium heat for 3 minutes. Now this is the color and the consistency. I just add only half cup of water and the oil is completely separate from the fish. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. I will add only quarter of lemon on top of this one before serving the dish. So this fish is suitable for everyone, for all adults, because of the properties of this food. And I add all the healthy ingredients: turmeric, fish, tomatoes, and lemon juice, and just garlic slice. Everything is prepared now. Everything is cooked properly. So now I'm going to turn off the flame and start to serving this one. I served this sardine with tomato fish curry with some lemon slice, tomato slice, and some corianders. So please try to make this recipe at home. This is one of my most favorite, and it's very healthy and tasty, delicious food. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.